almost 80% of car owners are missing simple tricks that could save them hundreds of dollars every year. And one of these hacks can help you avoid a repair bill close to $2,000. Here are 17 genius car hacks you need to know. Let's begin now with hack number 17. Hack number 17, adjusting your windshield washer nozzles. You press the washer and the fluid either shoots too high or barely touches the glass. You end up wasting fluid and still can't see clearly. Here's how it actually works. On most cars, those tiny nozzles are adjustable. Brands like Toyota and Honda build them with small pivot joints. Take a sewing pin or needle and gently insert it into the nozzle. Move it slightly until the spray hits the center of your windshield. This takes about 10 seconds. Here's the kicker. When the spray hits correctly, your wipers glide better and last longer, saving you around $20 to $40 on replacements. But wait, if that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next trick could change how you drive every day. Hack number 16, fixing your side mirror blind spots. Most drivers set mirrors too close, so they just show the side of the car again. That leaves a dangerous blind zone. Here's the deal. Your mirrors should point outward more than you think. According to AAA, proper positioning can almost remove blind spots. Lean your head against the window and adjust the left mirror until you barely see your car. Then lean toward the center and adjust the right mirror the same way. Now, cars move smoothly from your rearview mirror into your side mirrors without disappearing. Here's the kicker. This simple setup can help avoid side collisions that often cost $1,500 to $3,000. You'd be very much surprised by this next myth. Hack number 15. Cooling your car with your key fob. On a hot day, your car feels like an oven. Inside temperatures can hit 60 degrees Celsius. Here's what most people don't know. Many cars, including BMW, Volkswagen, and some Toyotas, let you open windows remotely. Hold the unlock button for about 3 to 5 seconds. Your windows roll down before you even open the door. That hot air escapes instantly. Here's the kicker. Your AC doesn't have to fight trapped heat, which can extend compressor life and save you up to $1,000 in repairs. Trust me, this next one will shock you. Hack number 14. Cleaning headlights with toothpaste. Foggy headlights can cut your night visibility almost in half. Most people think they need a full restoration kit. Here's how it actually works. The cloudiness is a thin, oxidized layer, and toothpaste has mild abrasives that can remove it. Apply a small amount, rub for 2 minutes, then rinse. You'll see clearer headlights right away. Here's the kicker. Better light output helps you see farther at night, reducing accident risk. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem. Hack number 13. Checking tire tread with a coin. Your tires might look fine, but worn tread reduces grip, especially in rain. Here's the deal. Take a coin and place it into the tread. If most of it stays visible, your tread is too low. This takes just a few seconds. Here's the kicker. Good tread helps prevent hydroplaning, which is one of the main causes of highway accidents. Now, for a secret car feature that'll make life easier. Hack number 12. Using cruise control to save fuel. Many drivers ignore cruise control unless they're on long trips. Here's how it works. It keeps your speed steady, which reduces fuel waste. The EPA has tested that steady driving can improve fuel economy by up to 14%. Use it on flat highways. Here's the kicker. Over time, that can save you $100 to $300 a year on fuel. But wait, if that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next trick could protect your engine. Hack number 11, turning off AC before shutting the car. If you turn off your engine with the AC still running, the system puts extra load on startup next time. Turn off the AC about 10 seconds before shutting down. This reduces strain when you start the engine again. Here's the kicker. It can extend compressor life and save you $500 to $1,500 in repairs. If you made it here, we'll appreciate liking the video. It'll help us do more car tips videos. Trust me, this next one will shock you. Hack number 10. Cleaning battery corrosion with baking soda. You open the hood and see white buildup on the battery terminals. That blocks electrical flow and can stop your car from starting. Mix baking soda with a little water and scrub with a toothbrush. It reacts and clears the corrosion in minutes. Here's the kicker. A clean connection helps your battery last longer, saving you $120 to $200. You'd be very much surprised by this next myth. Hack number 9. Cooling your car faster with AC settings. Most people blast the AC right away. Instead, open windows for about 30 seconds while driving, then switch to recirculation mode. This cools the cabin faster. Here's the kicker. Your AC works less, which saves fuel. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem. Hack number 8. Finding your fuel cap side instantly. You pull into a gas station and guess the wrong side. Look at your fuel icon on the dashboard. There's a small arrow pointing left or right that shows your fuel door side. Here's the kicker. It saves time and avoids awkward repositioning. Now, for a secret car feature that'll make life easier. Hack number 7. Extending your sun visor. Most people only flip it down. On many cars, you can slide it sideways to block sunlight from the side window. Here's the kicker. It improves visibility and reduces eye strain on long drives, but wait. If that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next trick could protect your interior. Hack number 6. Using a towel to protect your dashboard. Heat and sunlight can crack your dashboard over time. Repairs can cost up to $1,000. Place a towel or sunshade over it when parked. Here's the kicker. It also keeps your cabin cooler. Trust me, this next one will shock you. Hack number 5. Checking your engine oil color. Pull the dipstick and look at the oil. Clean oil is light brown. Dark black oil means it's time to change it. This takes under a minute. Here's the kicker. Fresh oil protects your engine and helps avoid repairs that can cost thousands. You'd be very much surprised by this next myth. Hack number 4. Removing tree sap with hand sanitizer. Tree sap sticks hard and damages paint. Use a small amount of sanitizer and rub gently. It breaks down the sap quickly. Here's the kicker. You avoid costly detailing services. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem. Hack number 3. Using QR codes in your car. Some modern cars include QR codes in manuals or door frames. Scan them to watch quick tutorials for your car features. Here's the kicker. You get answers instantly without searching for hours. Now, for a secret car feature that'll make life easier. Hack number 2. Folding mirrors with your key. Hold the lock button on many cars like Honda or BMW. Your mirrors fold automatically. Here's the kicker. It protects them in tight spaces and avoids $200 to $600 damage. And finally, hack number 1. Tightening your gas cap properly. If your gas cap is loose, it can trigger a check engine light. Turn it until you hear 2 to 3 clicks. This takes just 3 seconds. Here's the kicker. You avoid diagnostic costs and unnecessary stress. Which of these did you already know? Drop the number in the comments. And if you want more simple car hacks that save you money and time, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.